let's say I have an expression that has part of it as a radical, and I'd like to rewrite it so that it's all combined together a little simplified. For example, I'd like to rewrite the expression all with a power of 2, meaning I want to have 2 to some power, and I'd like to transform this expression into this form. Well, to do that, I know that 8 could be rewritten as 2 to the 3rd power. I also know that I can rewrite this part with the radical as 4 to the 1/3 power. Okay, but still not in this form. In order for me to combine these, I need to make sure that I have the same bases. So I need to think about how I could rewrite 4 so that it has a base of 2. So this part I'll just bring down, because it already has a base of 2. And this part I'll rewrite as 2 squared, because 4 is the same as 2 squared, and I can't forget about that 1/3 power. Okay, now, again, let me bring this down. I'll save this part for later. If I have 2 squared to the 1/3 power, I know that in an exponent to an exponent, my properties of exponents tell me that I can multiply those. So this 2 stays my base, and 2 to the 1/3 power is just 2 times 1/3, which is the same as 2/3. So my new exponent is 2/3. Okay, now I have the same bases. Again, properties of exponents tell me if I have the same base and I'm multiplying these two, the base stays the same and the exponents add. So now I have to remember how to add these fractions. When adding these fractions, I need to make sure they have the same denominator. So right now, if I'd like to rewrite 3 as a fraction with a base 3, it would have to be, let me move this over here, 3 I could rewrite as 9/3, because 9/3 is the same as 3. Then plus my 2/3. So now I could add these two together. That equals, I have the same base, the same denominator, so I'll keep my denominator 3, and then 9 plus 2 is 11. So my new numerator, all back from over here, is 11/3. So this whole thing can be rewritten as 2 and 11/3. And I wrote this how I was looking for in the beginning, as 2 to some power, 2 to the 11/3 power is the same as what I started with over here.